Like operator is very interesting operator that we can use for the pattern of the string, to finding out the pattern of the string. And that like operator could be used with many wildcard characters like percentage and underscore. So let's say if I want to match any name with like ABC, and if I am writing in like underscore B underscore, it means that here it would be any character, and here it will be any character, but in the second character should be B, right? So here if we'll compare, and if we want as output as ABC, then we'll get the output as ABC. Now, if we'll do that, and if you want the output as AB, then it will be false. So if I want output as AB, and if I am writing like this, then it is false. So if I'm writing like this, so what I have to write? I have to write underscore B only. Underscore is not required. Here it is saying that it should be 3 characters, but here it is 2 characters. Now, if I'm using percentage, percentage is talking about 0 or n number of characters. How much? 0 or n number of characters. So if I'm writing like this, percentage B percentage, it means that here it may be any number of character from 0 to n. Here it may be any number of character from 0 to n. And if I'll compare it, it will be compared. Now here this also will be true for percentage. So percentage is 0 to n number of character, but underscore is 1 character only. So if I am looking for ABC, and if I am writing A underscore, that could not be matched. Why? Because this is a 3 character, and here we are looking for 2 character. Now for the next one, it will be match. For this one, ABC, this could be true. The percentage could be taken as 0 to n. So it may be taken as 1, underscore is 1, and A is 1 character. So 3 characters are there. Here also it can be work. Why? Because the underscore is there, which is 1 character. A, start with A, and in between any number of character will be there, 0 to n. So it will be 0 characters. So it will be true. If you see some of the examples, it will be like this.